So let's get started with my pork tenderloin. I'm going to pat it dry. I'm going to move it out of the way for now. I'm going to do a honey mustard and garlic concoction to put on top of my tenderloins. So it's going to be equal parts honey. So I have a 1/4 cup. Equal parts Dijon. Or almost equal part. Close enough. I'm going to put some garlic in there. I'm going to crush them. I think because these are so small, this would be maybe equivalent to 3 cloves. Maybe 4 cloves. The more the better, in my mind. Oh, that's good. That's perfect. All right. Gonna put my gloves on. What I want to do is I'm gonna just pierce it through. I'm gonna pour this on. Work it in. So I have my own seasoning blend that I call pork rub, but it's not. It could be used as a rub or as a sprinkle. So I'm just shaking it up. The recipe will be linked, not linked, but written in the description. And sprinkle some. Okay, I need a couple of limes. I'm going to do 1 lime per loin. Now let's see how because I keep my limes in the freezer. Let's see how much juice comes out of them. Now that I thawed it out, it may be enough. 1 may be enough. I think one's enough. I'll use this for my water. So I have my oven preheated to 400. I'm going to put this in the oven uncovered for 30 minutes. And I'll bring you back at that time. Looks like the pork tenderloins are done. I'm going to put that right there and let it sit for about 10 minutes, maybe a little longer. And I'll bring you back. So this has rested and I am ready to cut it. But what I want to do first is I have broccoli that I want to put in these containers first. So let me move that. Out of the way. And let me set up the broccoli first. Thank you once again for joining me at Bobchi's Corner in Bobchi's Kitchen, my kitchen, for my upcoming week's dinner prep. Hope to see you soon. Until next time.